What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing a mystery box, but this time around it's not a returns box. It's more of a liquidation overstock kind of box from Amazon. It is filled with clothing from Amazon. I have no idea what's inside. All I know is that I paid like £80 for this box from a website called Buyers Hub, and there is supposedly 10 kg worth of clothes in this box, which is around like 35 pieces. I've never purchased a box of like overstock like this, so I'm really interested to see what kind of pieces we're gonna get, whether any of them will just happen to be in my size or my style. It is a little bit of a gamble and a risk, but I'm here to take that risk for you guys so you don't have to. If you guys have ever wondered about buying a box like this and what it actually has inside, then definitely keep on watching. All right, so here is the box of stuff. I've just literally opened it up, and this is my first impression of seeing what's in here. I know that Amazon clothing can sometimes be hit and miss, so I don't really have high hopes for this box, but I guess we'll see. Maybe we'll be pleasantly surprised. So this is what I'm seeing inside the box. It looks like a really good mix of various different colors. The first item I see is this, which looks like some kind of orangey sort of shirt. It's actually in an extra large, and it's from a brand called Good Threads. Ooh, okay, this actually feels like a really nice shirt. Genuinely, there is nothing wrong with this shirt. It's like a brand new, really nice cotton sort of shirt. Obviously, this is a men's. I don't think this is gonna be really my husband's cup of tea, so anything that I don't think I'm gonna keep, I will donate to charity. But yeah, this shirt is literally brand new, nothing wrong with it. Still got tags, so pretty good so far. The next item we have is this. No idea what this is. It's called a Amazon's Essential Women's Classic Fit Long Sleeve Polar Soft Fleece Jacket, and this is actually in a small, which is amazing because it should fit me. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. This I definitely will be keeping because I love going to cold countries on holiday. So this is gonna be perfect when I go to Switzerland next time. And actually, again, this is a really nice item. It's very soft, very nice quality, and it has pockets. So I'm really liking this. Ooh, next up we have what looks like maybe a little sports bra or something. It has literally come still packaged brand new. Let's open it up. Oh, okay, it is just a set of underwear actually. These I can tell are brand new, never been worn, so that's awesome. They are a thong though, and I don't wear thongs, so again, I'll probably donate these to charity. Next, we have this, which looks like a little denim style top or maybe a dress. Okay, let's see here. It's again from the same brand called Good Threads. This is what it looks like. Not really my cup of tea, but it's not bad, and it's brand new, so I'm sure somebody is gonna love it. Oh my gosh, wow, we now have a pair of shoes, and I really hope this is gonna be in my size. Oh no, it's a US 6, which is a UK 4. Sadly, they are too small for me, but they're so cute. I mean, look at these. They are adorable. I love little flats like this, and they're actually like a sandal. Can you see that? They don't actually have a back to them. These types of shoes are really nostalgic to me because I used to wear shoes like this to school, but obviously it did have the back then, and they were black, but they are just so cute. I absolutely love them. I wish they were my size. Moving on, the next item we have is this. This is from the Amazon's Essential brand. I have a feeling it's gonna be another men's item. Ooh, it looks like some kind of sweater or something. Yeah, it's like a really oversized jumper. I don't know if this is men's or women's, but it's actually in a size 5X, which is way too big for me, but maybe for like a super cozy, slouchy kind of fit, it could do. I do have to say though, I don't normally wear colors like this, so I probably will just donate this. Moving on, the next item we have is another shirt. This is in an extra large. What is it with everything being not my size? Sometimes I get super lucky with these types of boxes, and sometimes I get really unlucky, and this is definitely one of those times. But this is the shirt. It's a men's shirt. It's a yellow shirt. I mean, yeah, it's not bad, but I just can't make use of it, sadly. The next item I have is this. Let's open it up. It looks like a little skirt or something. Oh no, it's actually a pair of leggings. Wow, these are from Pretty Little Thing. I did not expect that. Okay. They do look rather small though. These are a size 8 apparently, but they just look tiny. They look like something a small child could fit into, in all honesty, but I do get that they are stretchy. But even so, they're not actually that stretchy, so I genuinely don't think I'll be able to try these on because I will not fit my hips through these. But hey, it's a brand new pair of Pretty Little Thing leggings and they seem okay quality. The next item I have is something a little bit more in line with the colors that I normally wear, and that is like this really nice beige sort of color. This is called a girl's uniform jumper. It's in a large slim. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. So is this like a dress for a little girl? That's kind of cute. I thought this was gonna be okay for me, but it isn't. So it's like a little dress. That is cute. I'm definitely gonna donate this to charity. What is this? This is looking like a little bit of me. It looks like a dressing gown or something. Maybe a pajama set? No, it's definitely a dressing gown. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a heart-shaped dressing gown. I love. It doesn't have a brand or anything. Where is this from? This is from a brand called Iris Lily, and this is in size 14, which I do not mind because I love a cozy dressing gown. Okay, what is this? This is a Amazon's Daily Ritual Women's Cozy Boucle Horizontal Knit Long Sleeve Mock Neck Sweater. Wow, that's a mouthful. And this is in a small, so hopefully something for me. Oh my goodness, this is so soft. Are you kidding? I love it. Oh my gosh, finally something for me at last. This is really cute. It's like a high neck little turtleneck number, but the fabric that this is made of is so cute. I really, really love this. Okay, next item we have looks like a pair of trousers. They are definitely not in my size. These are a 30 waist and 34 length. So yeah, could be a men's, I don't really know. Maybe they're a woman's pair of trousers. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is from the Amazon's Essential range. We then have whatever this is. This is a spotted zebra girls short sleeve t-shirt. It's a video UFO print. Oh, these are really cute. Yeah, they're like a little girl's top. Oh, there's actually lots of different styles. There is this one with little UFOs and unicorns. The unicorns are getting abducted. And then lastly, there's just the little pink one. I mean, I don't have any children in my family or in my life at all, so I'm just gonna donate all of these. Moving on, we now have what looks like maybe a pair of leggings, but this is in triple XL, so not gonna fit me sadly. But here they are, just a nice pair of leggings. They have really nice pockets as well. And yeah, they're kind of like cropped. I don't think they would be like a full length by any means. The next item I have is this. It's called Aurique. I'm guessing that's the brand. This is actually my size. I think I will probably keep this to do some sports in. So this is a good little item. I can actually make use of this. Moving on, we have this item, which is again from Iris Lily. And this looks like something with a cool, funky little pattern on it. What is this? Oh, it's a swimsuit. This is cute. Wow, I actually really like this. I like the style of it a lot. It's not really the kind of colors I would normally opt for, but this is a really nice swimsuit. I like the fact that it's not like really cheeky in the back. It's actually quite modest. Unfortunately, I don't think this is my size though, so sadly I cannot try it on, but it's a really nice one, so I'm gonna donate it again. We still have so many more items to go through. The next item is this. It's from the same brand called Aurique. Oh, wow. This is cool, actually. It's like a hoodie, but it's kind of thin. So it's more like a top. And then it has this really cool, like, way that it's zipped up. It's very, like, asymmetrical. So, like, the buttons are to the side. Do you guys see that? It's, like, really interesting. The fabric quality is really nice, too. So this is another awesome find. Next up, we have this item here. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's like a little dress, or maybe it's a Ooh, I think it's like a pajama dress. Yeah, I don't think anybody would actually wear this out. It's more of like a nightgown, I think. But this is actually really nice. It's very soft. I'm tempted to keep this. It looks like my size too. I like the little lace trim as well. I actually don't own a night dress like this. I normally just wear pajamas, so this is gonna be a nice addition to my nightwear collection. Ooh, I think we might have another one. Okay, this is another night dress. This one is in like a navy blue. It's got the lace. It's got adjustable straps. It looks really nice actually. It's so soft. This one does look a little bit too big for me, but I'm still willing to give it a go. I really like this. Okay, now we have some plaid shirts. There's been so many freaking shirts in this box, you guys. I just don't really understand what's going on with the shirts. First one looks like this. It's a short sleeve. Yeah, another men's one. We'll probably donate this again. And then we also have this one. Oh, actually, wait. I don't think this is a men's top. This is again, a night dress. And it's actually very, very soft. Like, so much nicer than the previous shirt I just showed you guys. This is really cute. Definitely gonna keep it. What is this? Hang on a minute. Oh! This is so cute. This is a Avengers themed hoodie. Oh my gosh, I live. It's actually Marvel licensed. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Just to wear around the house, I would totally wear this. Look at all the superheroes. It's got everybody on it. This is really, really cute. A really nice find. And actually, it looks like it'll fit me perfect. Okay, next up we have more Avengers themed stuff. This is from Marvel, but it's like little baby grows. Actually, no, it's not a baby grow. It's just little t-shirts. How cute. Oh my gosh, if I had a kid, I would totally keep these. But there's just no point because who am I going to give these to? So they're going to go straight to charity. Oh, we have another one of these night dresses. Literally exactly the same one as before. We then have this, which looks like, again, another kids kind of set. This time I think it's a Christmas one. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little Christmas baby grow. Are you kidding? Look how cute that is. So there's one like this and then there's one like this. Oh, this is adorable. Okay. This is low-key making me want to have a little kid, but don't get any ideas. It's not happening anytime soon. The next item we have is a brown jumper of some kind, a sweatshirt. This looks like it could be something that I can wear. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Finally, okay, it's finally happening. We're getting a few items here and there that I can actually make use of. This is my size. It's from the Daily Ritual brand. It's extra small and it's so cute. This is gonna be perfect for autumn. I absolutely love sweaters in this color. So yeah, this is a really awesome find. What is this? Okay, this next item is an extra large fleece. It doesn't look extra large. It actually low-key looks like a small, but yeah, another fleece. I probably don't need two, so again, I will donate. Oh, we have another pair of shoes. This time, it is in my size. Yay! I'm a bit gutted though, because this time it's not in the same color, and I actually much prefer the other color, like the beige, whereas this is more like a coral, so I don't know if I will keep these. I don't know if I'll actually wear a color like this. I think it just clashes a little bit too much with my skin tone, so let me know what you guys think. Should I keep this or should I donate them? We then have another pair of leggings in the 5 extra large size once again, which is such a shame, but at least somebody's gonna be able to make use of it out there. Ooh, they're actually a really nice fabric, I must admit. But yeah, they are just way too big for me, so sadly I cannot keep. Next, we have another shirt. They just love their plaid shirts. Maybe I'll keep one of them. And if there was a single one I would keep, it would probably be this one just because of the color scheme. It's way more in line with the rest of my wardrobe and what I would normally wear. But it is a men's shirt. If it was long sleeve, maybe it would be a bit better. But the fact that it's like a short sleeve doesn't make it as appealing to me. So again, I'm gonna have to donate this, but it is a really cute pattern, this one. Next, we have another set of that like dress for a little girl. I'm not even gonna unpackage this one because we already know what these look like. We then have whatever this is. It's another sweatshirt, I guess. Oh, wow, okay. This is actually low-key really cool. So it's like one of these super like big turtleneck style sort of sweatshirts. You can obviously open it up and have it kind of fold over your shoulders like this, or you can zip it up really nice and high and then have it like a snood. This is really cute. I probably will keep this, even though I don't wear black all that often, but I'm sure there's always going to be a time and place where I can actually wear this. Next item we have is this. This is a 36 waist, 34 length pair of trousers. I'm guessing these are a men's. Okay, yeah, they're just like a cargo pair of trousers. Not really much to it. Not my cup of tea, so we'll donate. We then have this. It's from that same brand called Iris Lily, and this is a pair of cotton bodysuits. There's two different ones in here. We've got a gray and a black. Let's see. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, I can actually make use of these too. They look like they are my size, so that's perfect. And then this is what the gray one looks like. Really nice and simple. I actually really like these. Okay, we then have a pair of joggers, which again looks like a men's. I feel like this box so far has been very much men's. Like, it's been way more men's than women's. This is what the joggers look like. As you can see, they are quite large, so I won't be able to make use of these either. Sadly, my husband will not fit these. They're just going to be a bit too big. So yeah, I feel like, again, I'm gonna donate these. I've been saying that for the whole video, but I just want you guys to know all of these clothes are not going to go to waste. We then have yet another Amazon women's fleece, again in the size S, which is the one that I am going to keep. I already have one open, so I'm going to donate this one. And lastly, we have just a couple more bits and bobs. The next item we have is this, a little green sort of shirt, very loose, very flowy. I really like this actually. This isn't an extra small, so it's actually my size, but sadly it's just not really the color that I would go for. Oh, we have another item from Pretty Little Thing. What is this? Oh, nice. Okay, it's just literally a black skirt, like a black maxi skirt, and it's from Pretty Little Thing. It's in my size, so we'll probably keep. And the last item, I feel like this just completely sums up this box. It's a plaid men's shirt, a short sleeve one. This is really sad. Let me know if you guys think I should do some kind of DIY project with these like plaid shirts. Is there anything I can make out of them maybe? They are quite big, so maybe I could make like a pillowcase or something out of them at least. But if not, I'll just donate all of them to charity, and I'm sure some guy out there will love them. All right, guys, so that is the complete box, fully unboxed. It is empty. There's nothing left. I have to say, my final verdict of this box is that for me personally, it was a little bit of a waste of money. There is only a small handful of items that I will actually keep and wear. Everything else is just gonna go to charity, like I said throughout the video. I mainly obviously do these videos so that you guys can see what's in these boxes if you guys have ever been tempted to get one for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one with the Amazon overstock items is just a waste of time. You're gonna get so many random things and so many repeats of items that are literally not in your style or your size, and that is just guaranteed to happen. This is my first time ever buying a box of this sort. Normally I buy returns and things like that, but I thought I would try and get another type of box just to see what it's like. And I will say I definitely have wasted my money on this one, but let me know what you guys think. Would you guys have kept any more of those items? Trying to see it from a different point of view though, if you were like a Depop seller or an eBay seller, you could totally take a box like this and then try and make a profit by selling these items on. But I could see how that could be a little bit more difficult, so let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely do more videos like this with some of the like more interesting boxes hopefully in the future. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.